On the crossroads of Western Europe, nestled between Belgium, Germany and France, lies a hidden gem, a grand duchy known as Luxembourg, a land where fairy tale castles stand tall on rugged cliffs, where charming villages echo tales of yore, and where the cuisine is a delightful fusion of its neighboring influences. Tourism in Luxembourg, a grand duchy with an enchanting mix of international appeal and local charm, might not be the first thought for your next holiday, but it's a destination that's more than capable of surprising you. First on the list of must-visit destinations is the capital city, Luxembourg City. With its UNESCO-listed Old Town, the city offers a blend of past and present. Explore the Bock casemates, a labyrinth of underground tunnels and galleries, or take a leisurely stroll in the Grand district with its quaint houses and stunning views. If nature is your calling, venture into the Ardennes. With its rolling hills, deep valleys and extensive forests, it's a haven for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. Here you'll find the Upper Shore Natural Park, a perfect spot for birdwatching, hiking, and even winter sports during the colder months. Accommodation options in Luxembourg range from luxury hotels in the heart of the city to charming bed and breakfasts in the countryside. The Sofitel Luxembourg Le Grand Ducal offers 5-star luxuries with panoramic city views. For a more intimate stay, consider the quaint and cozy Auberge de la Geichel in rural Aachen. Dining in Luxembourg is an experience in itself. Try Judd Mat Gardebohnen, a traditional dish of smoked pork neck with broad beans, or indulge in a hearty Bohnenschlup, a green bean soup with potatoes, bacon and onions. And don't forget to sample a glass or two of the local Moselle wines. Speaking of indulgence, Luxembourg's Chocolate House Bonn, offers over 60 types of chocolate spoons. Dip one into a cup of hot milk and voila, the perfect hot chocolate. Besides its rich history and gastronomic delights, Luxembourg offers a variety of activities, from exploring the Mullerthal Trail, also known as Luxembourg's Little Switzerland, to taking a leisurely boat ride on the Moselle River or skiing in the Highlands during winter. Immerse yourself in the culture by attending one of the numerous festivals, such as the Spring Break Luxembourg, a music and culture festival held each year in March, or the lively Schwerbefahr, an annual fair held in Luxembourg City that dates back to the 1300s. As we wrap up this journey through Luxembourg, remember that the true charm of travel lies in the unexpected surprises and the memories you create. Whether it's the breathtaking landscapes, the mouth-watering cuisine, or the warm hospitality, Luxembourg is a destination that's sure to leave a lasting impression. And now we turn the spotlight to you. Have you had the chance to visit this charming Grand Duchy? What were your favorite moments, your unforgettable experiences? Share your Luxembourg stories in the comments below. Every journey has a story, and we can't wait to hear yours. Until next time, happy travels.